Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ranch homemade. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients, including 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. You'll also need fresh chives, dill, and parsley. Precision in measuring these components is key to achieving that perfect creamy texture and balanced flavor profile. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth. The foundation of exceptional homemade ranch starts with the right ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of a good quality mayonnaise, which provides the creamy base. Next, incorporate 1/2 cup of fresh buttermilk. This adds that signature tangy flavor. For extra richness and body, include 1/4 cup of sour cream. These 3 components are crucial for achieving the classic ranch dressing texture and taste. Now let's talk about the heart of the flavor, the herbs and spices. Finely chop fresh chives, dill, and parsley. About 1 tablespoon of each is ideal for a bright, fresh taste. Then, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder for depth. Finish with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This blend creates the iconic ranch flavor. Once all your ingredients are prepped, it's time to bring it all together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your mayonnaise, buttermilk, sour cream, and all the herbs and spices. Whisk everything thoroughly until the dressing is completely smooth and well emulsified. For the best flavor development, cover and chill your homemade ranch in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.